And summer's back for another day. Wasn't here yesterday. Hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. We'll see. Automation complexity. We all have these visions of these giant bottling lines, etc., that we've seen, or row after row of high-tech robots welding together cars and stuff like that. And sometimes that throws us off. We think, well, we can't do that. That's way beyond what we need. And sure enough, it is way beyond what most people do need. But it looks quite impressive, so that's what people put the videos up for. But what you do need, what every one of us needs in our processes, is to mechanize and automate tasks. We even do that in our house. Your toaster is automation. You put your bread in, you press the button, it's set to produce toast at a certain darkness, and it pops it out when it's ready. Your coffee maker is automation. Half of how your car operates today is automation. They have computers in them. So when you look at your processes, you've already got automation in there. Unless you're working out of your garage or your basement, you probably have quite a bit of automation already existing that you may be overlooking, because you're not equating it with these gigantic bottling lines and multi-access robots and stuff like that. So the task now is to look at your line, your process, and see what tasks should be automated but aren't automated yet. Where do you need mechanization? Where do you need a lift? Where do you need a conveyor? Where do you need packaging or bottling? Where do you need labels added? Where do you need machine vision inspection? Amazing what machine vision inspection will do today. Where do you need these things in your line? And the best place to look is, where are the most people gathered? Where is the most labor required? Where is your bottleneck? So when you think about automation, don't be worried about these big, complex, out of the matrix, push one button and the whole factory turns on machines. That's probably a long ways off in your future, if ever, because not everybody needs something like that. Think about what tasks you have that would really make your process run smoother if you could mechanize it. Like your morning breakfast. How much easier is it now that you've got a toaster and a coffee maker? Two tasks that would take a lot of time and effort that now take only moments and make things so much better for your breakfast. So when you get up tomorrow morning and you have your breakfast and you go into your plant, look for where a toaster and a coffee maker would be. Look for tasks that people are doing that really wouldn't be that hard to mechanize and would really improve your process.